Oh man, that was a rush. Oh, never a dull moment on the homestead. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So we need to go let our big pigs out into the garden so they can get some exercise. They have not been out since we've had that big Arctic front, and they have been dying to get out. But first, let's stop over at our beagle pups and give them a treat. Wait. He just swallowed that whole. He didn't even chew. These two, they gave us a scare a couple days ago. We let them out to run around and play and just to get some exercise, and the boys were with them. Well, they took off after something and they ran up our mountain and they were gone. They did not come back. Coach came back late at night. He was scratching at the door, wanted to come in, but Darla did not. We were worried. We went searching everywhere for her. Couldn't find her. The next morning, my father-in-law and our middle son decided to get on side-by-side. They grabbed Coach and they had him leashed up and they took him to the other side of the mountain where our cousin's property is. And guess what? She was in his barn. How she got in, I don't know. There was a little hole, so we're thinking maybe she dug in, and my father-in-law is over there all the time, so she probably caught his scent and knew it was a safe place to be. And she stayed there until they found her, and they brought her home the next morning. Alright, so the one thing we did not think about was how this section was going to end up being. I was fine with this happening in the garden because we till it up or we move things around and we want that to get worked up. I was not expecting this or planned for this. This is bad. It is so muddy and just holes everywhere from their hooves going in there. It's not good. I don't know how this is going to come out come springtime. We don't have keys.
You didn't bring them?
No, because I didn't think about it. I think they're ready to come out. Come on, Junie. Come on, Junie. Come on. Hurry up. Come on, Meanie. These girls have definitely enjoyed being out on the pasture, getting out into the garden. They definitely enjoy it. Now, I was scared to death to let them out. I was so worried they were going to find a way to get out. The very first day, Petunia did find a spot. She started rooting up and almost got out, but we were able to fix that. And then later on, Miss Petunia found another weak spot, and they actually did get out. My father-in-law came outside, and he found them down by the house. He was so worried, and he was home alone. I was gone in town, my husband was gone with me, so he was by himself with two big pigs that had gotten out. Luckily, they loved food, and all he had to do was go get a bucket, fill it with feed, went over there and called them, and they came running back over here, and he got them back into the barn. Absolutely no problem. They've done that twice now, but thankfully, I think they're too big to run, and they love to eat, so they come back where the feed is. And see, she thinks I'm gonna feed her. She's all excited and she's running down here right now. Since the temperatures are now a lot warmer, I'm gonna go ahead and take down these heat lamps while the girls are out in the pasture, and I can get to cleaning up their pig pen a little bit while I'm out here. Well, they got out. Had to go run and get them some feed and get them back inside. Come on. We already got Minnie in, but she's already making her way out, so I gotta get this one in. We definitely need to fix that fence. It broke, so we need to put another T-post in, and that will keep them in for sure. Come on, Mama. Good girl. Come on, Judy. All right, come on. My heart is pounding. We were done, ready to end this video. And then I hear my husband screaming, "Get the food!" I look and both of them are out of the garden. I'm ready for bed. Oh man, that was a rush. Oh, thank goodness my husband left the ATV right there because he jumped on it to bring it back around. And that's when he noticed when he went over there that the pigs were out on our perennial garden, eating up the food in there. That's when he yelled at me. He said, "Kitty, get the food!" And I'm like, huh? And I turned around and all I see is him like scurrying to get the pigs. So I literally dropped the camera where I was because I was like, I ain't recording this. I need to get the food and get these pigs back inside of the garden ASAP. Man. And here I was just bragging that they've been doing good. Never a dull moment on the homestead. There we have Miss Lady and Miss Bigfoot. They are two of our original chickens that we've had for over 5 years now. Actually going on 6 years that we've had them. And they're going strong. No matter what, whether they don't produce eggs anymore, they will always be here on the homestead. They'll always have a home. Well, that was unexpected. I was not expecting those pigs to get out. Well, I'm glad I got them back inside with hubby's help. Now I'm gonna head back inside, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day. All right, friends, so it is now noon and we're gonna go ahead and pick our winner for our Ladies Farm hat. So let's see who our lucky winner is going to be. All right, friends, so our lucky winner is Audrey Bailey. You are going to be getting a Ladies Farm hat. Congratulations. Send us an email with your information so we can get this out to you ASAP. Congratulations, and thank you all for participating in this giveaway.